Hey everyone, I'm Sylvia from Foshan Xingmingda. It's a 1300mm rack machine driving you crazy with uneven glue application. Too much on one side, too little on other. Let's fix that step by step. First, adjust the glue knife temperature. You have 3 glue guns. Whichever side that glue that's too thick, increase the temperature by 3 to 5 degrees. If the glue is too thick on one side, reduce the temperature by 3 to 5 degrees. Next, move on to the glue tube temperature. For glue tube 1 and 2, if the glue is too thin on one side, increase the temperature by 1 or 2 degrees. Too thick, lower it by 1 or 2 degrees. Here's why this works. Glue becomes fluid when it's hot. A high temperature means the glue better fluid. A cooler temperature slows it down and makes it thicker. Finally, let's adjust the air value. If the glue is too thick, try tightening the glue volume slightly. If the thick glue is burning the film, then you can lose the return value. If it's too tight, the temperature gets too high and can cause damage. If this video helps, give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.